Welcome to Twak Ahaar videos. Today's video is a precursor to a series of videos on all Twak Ahaar soap variants. In this video, we look into skincare additives. This slide shows contents of Twak Ahaar soaps. We have dealt with soap and oil. Today we discuss about skincare additives, which are added as much as 13% into our soaps, probably highest quantity than any other soaps. We will move and deal with each term: skin care additives. Skin is the largest organ of our body, performing two important functions of being an indicator to our internal health. Good skin is possible only when internal physical and mental health is attended to. This is indispensable. The other function is being a strong barrier to all external conditions like microorganisms and elements of nature like air, water, heat, and other materials. Skin has strong built-in mechanisms to deal with many external assaults, but many a times skin health gets upset and defense mechanism alone cannot protect the skin. Then illness sets in. Let us understand illness from two perspectives: Ayurvedic and modern. In modern perspective, following are causes or symptoms of skin illness. Toxins like air pollutants, etc. They settle on the skin and get absorbed into the skin surface, causing damage. Oxidation. This is a process of release of active charged particles from inside as well as from outside substances on the skin. These active species knock out cells like a chain reaction, leading to skin damage. UV radiation. Sunlight also has UV rays. When these rays are exposed to skin for durations beyond the threshold, skin suffers. UV radiation kicks in pre-programmed self-destruction cycle. Now, microbial infection. Microbe growth on skin may increase beyond skin's capacity to defend, causing infections. Wounds and injuries are very common and known to everyone by experience. Inflammation. This term is heard very often. This is actually nothing but the sign of the skin defense mechanism doing its job against all these causes. Just like fever, which is actually the sign of the body fighting the illness. This is the Ayurvedic perspective of skin health. Illness of skin is nothing but imbalance of Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Vata is the air and vacuum characters. Pitta is composed of fire and water elements, and Kapha is composed of water and earth elements. And these are the basic characteristics of our body in general. Now, skin has Vyana Vata, which actually regulates the movements of skin pores, opening and closure of skin pores. Brajaka Pitta is responsible for radiance and pigmentation of the skin, and it also helps in digestion and absorption of materials from the skin. Shleshaka Kapha ensures the presence of lubricating materials on the skin, giving rise to softness of the skin. Caring for skin deals with helping skin fight the imbalances and external assaults. To do this, it is well established that topical treatment of skin with proper ingredients will definitely show results. It is also established through scientific trials and through traditional and direct experience over many years. Presence of skincare ingredients in oily and alkaline environment, as in a soap, will enhance the absorption of materials into skin. Now, coming to proper identification of skincare ingredients, this is the Ayurvedic perspective of skincare ingredients identification. Every dravya or skincare ingredient is known to possess rasa, guna, virya, vipaka, karma and prabhava. Rasa means taste as known by the tongue. There are 6 of them. Madhura or sweet rasa. This helps to fulfill the kapha deficiency. And amla, it is sour taste. This goes to fix the kapha and pitta deficiencies. Lavana is salty and this fixes kapha and pitta doshas. Katu is pungent, spicy taste and this fixes pitta and vayu deficiencies. Tikta is bitter, it addresses the pitta deficiency. And kashaya is astringent taste, tongue drying kind of sensation and this fixes the vayu deficiency. Guna refers to the property exhibited by the ingredient and it is divided into 10 pairs. The first is the Shita and Ushna pair, cold and hot. So ingredients with the cold property increases kapha and vayu doshas and Ushna fixes the pitta doshas. Guru and Laghu, light and heavy, heavy and light. Guru is heavy and Laghu is light. Guru increases the kapha deficiency and Laghu increases the vayu deficiency. Snigdha and Ruksha. Snigdha is oily and Ruksha is dry. Snigdha works to bring the pitta and kapha and Ruksha works to bring up vayu and pitta doshas. So whenever I say this property works, please take it as the ingredients with these characteristics helps in addressing particular dosha. Just like this, other guna also works on doshas. Here, I simply give meaning and names. Now, manda and tikshna, dull and sharp, slakshna and khara, smooth and coarse, sandra and drava, solid, liquid, mridu, katina, soft and hard, sthira and sara, stable, unstable, sukshma and sthula, minute, gross, vishadha and pichala, slimy and non-slimy. There are many more categories of gunas, but here we can only dwell at this level. Virya, the essence of 5 elements concentrated in the portion of the drug is called virya. This is the characteristic of the ingredient which signifies its potency, the active ingredient of the drug. Vipaka refers to the final transformation of the drug once in the system, in our body. Example, many times rasa of a drug remain the same in its final form also, but sometimes, like in ginger, the katu rasa might finally turn into madhura rasa, which is specified as the vipaka of that ingredient. Prabhava is the specific nature of the drug. For example, if we take 2 digestive drugs which have similar rasa, guna, virya, vipaka, karma, But one of the drug might induce purgation, that is diarrhea, while the other might not. Then we say the prabhava of that drug is inducing of purgation. Karma refers to the action caused by ingredient or drug on the body, like pacification of the doshas. I believe even this very little and superficial know-how of Ayurvedic perspective of seeing health and drug will equip us to be sensitive to ingredients that we use every day and the effect that it has on the nature of our body. Now, before moving on to modern perspective, I want to mention we will be dealing with ingredients obtained through plants only at Twak Ahaar, with exception of dairy ingredients like milk, curd, and ghee. According to the modern perspective, this science is called phytochemistry, the study of chemistry of plants and plant products. Plants generate two types of chemicals after processing water, sunlight, and earth nutrients. Primary metabolites. These chemicals help plant carry on its normal growth and maintenance and reproduction. This includes carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, chlorophyll, minerals, and vitamins. Secondary metabolites are generated in plants to give defense against microbes, harsh weather, including sunlight, and herbivores. It is generated for attracting pollinators and also to perform some symbiotic functions. Carbohydrates play a role in moisturizing skin and used as anti-inflammatory agents. Proteins help in pigmentations and anti-aging. Lipids help in moisturizing and also possess antimicrobial actions. Chlorophyll is also used for anti-aging and as antioxidants. It scavenges away the free charged active particles on the skin. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients which nourish the skin defenses so skin defense can do its job well. We will delve in detail when we pick each ingredient in each variant of Twak Ahaar soaps. Coming to secondary metabolites, the phenolic compounds. These are cyclic compounds containing mainly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Example for one of the phenolic compounds is gallic acid, which is present in flax seeds, and tannins, which is present in amla. Terpenes. Terpenes are aromatic compounds present in plants. For example, curcumin, which is present in turmeric. It works towards anti-inflammatory action, antiseptic, and astringent actions. Nitrogen compounds like alkaloids. There are many of them. Quinine is a commonly known anti-malarial drug. It belongs to this category. Pain relief in wounds. We use many alkaloids for that. There is this others category which can include carotenoids, saponins, etc. We will capture specific chemicals of these category in our video on individual variants. At Twak Ahaar, we use whole plant part as skincare ingredients. We do not go for isolated, natural, or synthetic chemicals as skincare ingredients. We do this because we believe nature is the best chemist. Thank you.